So I went through and zeroed these. I put tool number 1, 0, tool number 2, 30 degrees, tool number 3, 60, and this is 0.000, 90.000. Then I MDI'd the turret to every station, and it put these numbers in. This is what it put in. So now I went over here, and I'm looking at my RDIF. My RDIF is still off. It's still 45 off. And that's because the 255 for tool 60, or 60 degrees, my turret angle is 210 for 60 degrees. So 210, there's the difference, you know, the 45. So it does, this machine does need, you know, if I go to parameter, display change, you got turret angle, you got user parameter turret door, that's where you pulse handle the turret, and then you got display change, 44 right, close. This auto turret angle compensation, that has to be checked. And what it does, you got to do it for station 1 first, but you got to mount a block on the back of the piston that engages the turret to turn it. It is belt driven, and it'll do its thing. You'll go back to the axis data, and you'll see this number. That should pulsate back and forth. And once you get that set, you go to display change. You go to system parameter, which is like 22, I think. 22. No. System parameter on this one is 15. You close that. And you go to the T-axis, you're going to change, you're going to calculate that PR0 offset. And that's after you do the turret angle for tool number 1. Then you go back, display change, 44 right, close, and you check all turret angle compensation. And you hit cycle start and go back to axis data, and you're going to see this. It's going to index to each tool, and it's going to find the center of the curvix. The servo motor is going to oscillate. Once it finds it, it sets the correct number in the turret angle. So kind of complicated procedure, but this one needs it done. So I might do a video on it, I might not.